Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce you this new exhaust fan we have. It is a model number RCU18. And you can use this one for both 115 volt to 220 volt. Also, it has a 1.5 HP motor and 14.6 full load amps. Also, the design altitude for this unit is 63 feet. And maximum operating temperature for this fan is 300 Fahrenheit. So you can use this for your restaurant hood. And let me give you this external dimension of this unit. For the diameter of this unit, we have 37 inches. And from top to bottom, we have 30 inches. And the base of this unit, we have 28 inches. Also, we have an oil drain right here, and the motor will be underneath this cover. You can just unscrew it and take a look if you want, or swap it out if you want to. For more information, or if you guys want to purchase this unit, you can go on our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.